Hello, my name is Andy Coniglio, Corporate Executive Chef here at Wellbuilt, and today I'm going to talk about the MercoEco. So the MercoEco product family is featuring our 2x3 here, and we have multiple different configurations for any size kitchen. It has radiant upper and lower heat on all cavities. It's got a cool touch exterior, so it's not going to be overly hot when touching it. Timer bars give you the countdown. The LED light will let you know if something's expired or ready to use. So it's got 120 volt for all sizes except for the largest, which is a 3x4, which is a 208. Exclusive online Menu Connect application gives you the ease of changing your menu on your timer bar itself. You could hold both crispy and moist products. So for any juicy products, you would have a tray seal on there. I'm going to show you how, real quick, how to pull your tray seal out. Simple as this little lever, pulling that up, all stainless steel. You want to make sure it has the snap. Your tray seal is going to keep your juicy foods juicy. And then for any crispy products, like bacon, you would have no tray seal. It's got multiple configurations to fit in nearly any kitchen. You got 1 year parts and labor warranty on all MercoEcos. The MercoEco is available now through your local sales rep or visit wellbuilt.com.